Yeah, so in this question, so we are given a data of sale tax collection for 5 years, 5 consecutive years for 7 different states. Okay, so these are different states, and these are 5 different years, and so this is sales tax figure. Okay, so the question asked is like if for each year the state are ranked in term of descending order of sale tax collection, then how many states don't change the ranking more than once over the 5 year? Okay, so basically we need to find out the ranking of different states in these 5 years, and we need to find out that how many of these states are they don't change the ranking more than once over the 5 years. Okay, so like we have for 1996 to 7, then we have 97 to 98, then we have 98 to 99, and 99 to 2000, 2000 to 2001. Okay, so we need to find out the ranking of different states. So like for example in the first year, so this one MA is ranked 1, right? And TN is ranked 2, right? Then Gujarat is ranked 3. Then fourth rank is Andhra Pradesh. Fifth rank is Karnataka. Sixth rank is UP. Seventh rank is West Bengal. Okay. So similarly, we can find out, like I will quickly add the ranking. So as we are asked, this how many states don't change the ranking more than once for the 5 year. So you can see that from 96, 97 to 2001 to 1, 2000 to 1. So Maharashtra is ranked first, right? So Maharashtra is one state. TN is also ranked second for all these years. Gujarat is changing ranking, like first it was ranked 3, then it was ranked 4, then it was ranked 5, right? So Gujarat is changing ranking. Andhra Pradesh is also changing ranking. Karnataka is also changing ranking 2 times. UP is also changing ranking 3 times. West Bengal is changing rank is not changing ranking, right? So we have 3 states, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal, which are not changing their ranking over the 5 years. Okay. So next is like which of the following state has the change its relative rank most number of times when you rank the state in term of descending volume of sale tax collection. Okay, so as we have seen in this data, so Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and UP has changed the rank, right? Gujarat has changed 3 times, Andhra has changed 2 times, right? Then Karnataka has changed 2 times, and UP has changed 1, 2, and 3, 3 times. So Gujarat and UP, they have changed ranking 3 times. Andhra and Karnataka have changed 2 times. So these two states are the states which have changed ranking most number of times. One is Gujarat, second one is UP. Okay. So the percentage share of sale tax revenue of which state has increased from 97 to 2001. Okay. So from 97 data to 2001, which state has increased the percentage sale tax revenue? Okay, so we need to find out for different states. For example, for West Bengal, what is the percentage change, right? So that can be like um, for the final sale figure here upon 272704, right? And this will be multiplied by the overall change in the total collection of for all the states, right? So that will be um, basically that will come in the denominator, and so that will be zero point 0.6, right? So because this is 30,000, this one is 50,000, right? So 50,000 by 50,000 will be zero point 0.6, right? Okay. So now similarly we can find out for the other state also. So West Bengal and UP, we have percentage change for UP is like 63,675, and here it is 3473, right? So we can find out that 6375 and 3473. Then we have TN, which has 8015, here it is 5341, right? So when you figure out all the like uh, percentages changes, right, then you will find out that the maximum percentage change will be for Andhra, right, which is like doubling from its previous year. Okay, so which pair of successive year show the maximum growth of tax revenue in Maharashtra? Okay, so for Maharashtra data, right, so we need to find out the which pair of successive year show the maximum growth, right? So here you can find out basically the difference between these taxes, right? So here visually I can see that this difference will be the maximum, right? If I subtract 10284 by 8067, so that difference will be maximum. So this between 1998 to 1999, so I will have maximum growth for this tax revenue in Maharashtra. Okay, so identify the state whose tax revenue increase exactly the same amount in two successive pair of year. Okay, so we need to find out the state whose tax revenue increase exactly the same amount. I mean, if there was X amount in first year, so next year also it will be X year, right? So we need to find out that state, right? And we have the data like these are the two successive year of year. So for that, like I can quickly because the difference between um, this revenue figure will be same. So as you can see that the last figure here will be 0, but here it will be 4, right? So here is 0, 4, right, 2, then I have 0. So this doesn't qualify West Bengal. Then the next one is UP. Here also 2, then I have 3, here 2, then I have 5. So this also doesn't qualify. So similarly, like when I quickly scan through this data, I will find out that the Karnataka in year 1998, right? So this Karnataka, when I comparing this number to this, and for the consecutive year next year, when I comparing this difference to this, so I will get the same difference. So my answer will be Karnataka for between these 2 years, right? So next question. So which state below has the maintaining a constant rank over the year in term of its contribution to the total tax collection? Okay, so basically I'm given the data of different states, right? So as in the first question we have seen that Maharashtra Tamil Nadu and West Bengal, they are maintaining, these are the three states which are maintaining that Maharashtra is consecutively coming first, TN is always second, and West Bengal is always last, right? So these three states are basically maintaining their rank over the years, right? So based on the option, we can select which of the state is correct.